How can a microphone give you COVID-19? The coronavirus is changing every aspect of how we live and work. Even Donald Trump, the current US president, has recently been tested positive. The risks are real. Health and safety should always be the priority in any set when making a film. For commercial work, such as corporate videos and weddings, there is the added complexity of working with people who are not used to the process of creating a film and may have their attention elsewhere. Microphones present a particular hazard in the current climate. Good audio capture usually means getting a microphone as close as possible to the source, i.e. the mouth. When we speak or sing, we project droplets out of our mouths. With microphones so near to the mouth, it is inevitable that they become covered with droplets, and if the speaker is infected with COVID-19, then it is likely the virus will be in these droplets. In many commercial filming scenarios, the lavalier microphone is the go-to solution. They are portable and can be placed fairly discreetly. They also go very close to the mouth. Also, placement and removal often means a crew member being in direct contact with the person the microphone is being attached to. This is a high-risk environment for virus transmission. An alternative is the shotgun mic. These are the mics you sometimes see mounted on top of video cameras. However, they can be mounted to boom poles or even handheld. A good quality shotgun mic, well managed, will give a great audio recording. The main advantage from a coronavirus safety perspective is that these microphones can be used at a greater distance than lavaliers and still capture high quality audio. However, even with shotgun mics, the issue of spit from the mouth and droplets still remain. One option is to use a boom pole and hold the microphone above the heads of the speaker. This is common in movie making, but it requires more crew or a very sturdy stand. Another approach is to cover the entire microphone with a plastic bag. The bag must cover the whole microphone and be removed with great care after filming and either sanitised or disposed of appropriately. Windshields and pop filters are another option to cover the microphone, as these can be hand washed or if appropriate cleansed with an alcohol-based sanitizer. Of course, check with the manufacturer for full details. Alternatively, they can be left several days after use to wait for any virus contamination to die off. In terms of cleaning mics themselves, then check with the manufacturer again, but they should either be able to be cleaned with alcohol wipes or left after filming for any viral elements to die off. If you are working regularly with the same people, then it is worth considering assigning them their own lavalier microphone and training them how to fit it to themselves. It will only then be battery or recording packs that need to be changed. This of course increases the cost of a shoot and spares will always be needed, but it is a viable option for those working with the same clients on a regular basis. Some will wonder if the plastic bag makes a big difference to the audio. I will link to some tests done in the notes and you will hear that the quality is acceptable, especially for online materials. However, I would encourage anyone recording to make sure they record some room tone so that if there is a problem with the recording, there is a better chance of identifying and removing it in post-production. I've got some links to some shotgun mics in the notes if you need to consider them. Be good to hear if you have an alternative approach. Please let me know in the comments. It's good to share the information. Hope this help keeps you filming in these difficult times.